Forno introduces the 30-inch French door electric wall oven. A crisp white finish with antique brass accents exudes sophistication, bringing a classic yet refined touch to your space. The elegant French door design allows effortless, one-handed access to the spacious oven interior. Mechanical control knobs offer precise, hands-on cooking, letting you easily select functions and temperature with a classic, reliable feel. A sleek LED digital display with touch controls provides easy access to the timer, clock, and precise temperature adjustments. Spacious 3.68 cubic feet with a 3,000-watt true convection fan, delivering faster, more even cooking results. Two heavy-duty electroplated oven racks provide ample space. A black enamel interior resists stains and improves heat absorption and retention for consistent cooking. Hidden bake element hides below the oven floor, simplifies maintenance by preventing spills from burning onto the element. From bake to roast to proof, the heating elements has you covered. The included air fry pan and drip tray let you enjoy crispy, golden textures with little to no oil. Comes in your choice of colors, black, white, or silver. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.